Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Elizabeth and welcome to my car. It's a Wednesday morning. It's 9:45 right now. I come from the office, not office, post office. Yes, I come from post office to renew my car license disc. It was on a grace period, so today is the 20th and the grace period is 21 days. So you can see that the following day is the last day, and I don't want to be on penalties because last year I forgot to renew it and I was on a hefty penalty because I forgot from February to June. Instead of me paying around 550, I paid 980. And I was like nearly crying. So this year I didn't want to forget and be on those penalties. They were a lot. It's like I paid double the amount of the usual amount that I used to pay. So I am going to work, and let's go to work together, guys. You are going to see where I am traveling. I use R71. And right now I am this video started when I'm leaving Ballet Mall, because I was at Ballet Mall, and now I am heading to Nobody Ramutiba, the circle at Nobody. So I'm going to turn the camera and you guys travel with me to work. So this road it's a bigger road. It connects Polokwane and Zaneng. Those are bigger towns in Limpopo, I think. The roads are big. It's a four-way lane, two-way going the other side and two lanes going the other side. Yeah, just like that.
I get lost sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before.
Guys, this road is having traffic officers, so you gotta adhere to the speed limit. I do have a fine. I will go and negotiate. I cannot pay 2,000 rand. It's too much. That traffic officer, I know. Yeah, so I passed by the traffic officers. You know, people in South Africa, they will tell you they adhere to the law when they see people of the law around. Other than that, no. And it's a cloudy day here. It's cold actually. It's cold. Yesterday it was raining and I was using a taxi. So I told you the other time that I'm going to downgrade and do some other things. So with the petrol going up like that, I cannot keep up with it. It's just a lot. So I'm using a taxi. Today I'm using a car because it's late. I cannot like wait for a taxi to fill up. It's during the day and it's not filling up. The people are not like unlike in the morning. You don't wait, you just namela and go like that. So guys, I'm enjoying. I'm using glasses when I drive. I had eyesight problem for the longest time that I couldn't resist it anymore, so I had to get myself some glasses. I got them last month at optometry. It's called Ravel Optometry. They are in the way to Ratoka, next to Sasa offices. If you know that place, you can go and get yourself. They are very cheap. They are very cheap, and I credit their work. So yeah, that's why I bought them. I am heading to I'm in Dalmada right now. Stopped at the robot. The robot dalmada. We call them the robot dalmada. So they are red. I'm stopping, but they don't take time on to stop the R71 cars. So I'll be in the circle there. They just implemented that circle, guys. You can, that circle in the morning is not a child's play. This circle is trafficked. We have traffic in the morning. Like, there are several schools on the, when I'm heading to town, there are several schools on the left side, so people are taking their kids to school and it's not looking good. We always stop here. That's why I'm saying traveling with a car without a petrol is just mazapa. So since taxi drivers make plans, you can't get late to work. I'm getting inside the circle. Since traffic officers are not traffic officers, since taxi drivers always make a plan, because one they want to come back and take another batch of people to town like that, they have to make a plan to get us to work quickly. So they kind of travel in the gravel road, even though sometimes traffic officers deal with them like that, because it's against the law to drive on the gravel road when other cars, like, they are like overtaking on the gravel road, and it's not allowed. It's not allowed, and I do hate it, because they must figure more fast fofa a windscreen, and then what? Yeah, Piata Ashi lemon in a scratch sa liswika la windscreen tracker. You know, Zamaga Motiko, Liswika la Odimo, and then my windscreen is now scratched. This robot is not working, so it's a stop and go. Right now I'm at the bridge that goes to Mall of the North. It's not necessarily going to Mall of the North, but we call it the bridge la Mall of the North, just to make things easier and simple for others to understand. Yes, guys, never mind the light. It's cloudy outside, very cloudy. This is next Kulisho Hospital, meaning I'm heading to Savannah Mall. Right now I'm going to pass by Savannah Mall. This is the hospital, guys. I have videos that shows you some other roads of Polokwane and other buildings. Back then I used to do road vlogging, but since we were hit by the pandemic, I had to just stop. But I didn't stop. Let me just be clear. I stopped because I was just all over. My channel was all over. This is Savannah Mall, guys. My channel was all over back then. So I was just testing which one is working. But yeah, you can find my you are going to find which one? Fitness, wara everything there. Ne? And everything that side, but now I have established what to do. I just received a WhatsApp from my friend. My friend is savage. My friend is not it's just showing me airline tickets, like, really. I'm going to deal with her. Let me finish with you guys, talking to you guys. This thing is not working. Yeah, yeah, I'm entering town, but I'm not gonna do exactly to my work. I will stop somewhere and walk to my work. I don't want to show you where I am working. So I'm not gonna take you inside or next to where I am working. So the video will stop somewhere, and I hope you are enjoying this road trip to work. My friend is going to Durban, and she didn't even say anything. This one, I'm divorcing him. I'm divorcing her. Serious. This friend of mine, I'm divorcing her. And I know she watches my videos. I'm not gonna tell her anything. She will find it out from the video where I'm divorcing her, because she decides to leave us alone, the other crew. So she started a new crew. Oh Jesus. This route that I'm traveling on is a Tabombeki road. It has how many lanes? 1, 2, 3, 4 lanes. It's a Tabombeki road, Tabombeki street with 4 lanes. And it's smoothly going. It's renovated. It's so beautiful, guys. You can nicely cruise here. And it's a one-way road. It's entering town. Entering town.
When I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive.
It's 10:06. I'm nearly there. I left Paledi Mall at 10:45, and it's 10:06. But I wasn't driving fast, so I was adhering to the speed limit because I'm a good girl. I'm a good girl. I adhere to the speed limit and not being impatient, because if I start to speed, I will be impatient with other cars, which I do not want. I do not want that. Yeah. What time is it? I can see school kids are around the ground. These ones that are
Just you and I. Just you and I. Only you can put the fire out. You can turn it all around. You.
Now, this is Big Hat Street, and it's a one-way street heading to the north. Heading to the north. And I am going to leave you guys here, because I'm about to arrive at work. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this kind of videos, guys, please go back and watch other videos that I was doing. Give it a like. Don't just watch and go. Give it a like. Subscribe to my channel. Tell your friends to subscribe, guys. We are trying to make a living out of this thing. It's a hustle that should make a living. Ne? Like I'm saying, I'm going to drop you guys here, and enjoy other videos. I do cleaning motivation videos, some cookings, and I used to say lifestyle videos. Now I'm adding this lifestyle videos. Will I make it? I don't know how to vlog. Actually, I am a shy person. I cannot vlog in public. People will be looking at me like Okare. Like talking alone in public it's not gonna be myself, ne? But I will try. I will just try. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Enjoy other videos, guys. Bye.